Autobhan Network. So the Autobhan Network, the L2 for BSC. The Autobhan Network is the first layer to roll up for the BNB Smart Chain, formerly Binance Smart Chain. It's designed to run at lightning speed while minimizing fees and benefits from the BNB Smart Chain which underlies it. So BSC needs scaling. BSC gas fees are already too high for many dApps with high transaction volume, example games. Decentralized exchanges and other dApps have become slower or revert transactions. With greater adoption, this will only get worse. Scaling is the needed to regain speed and decrease gas costs by 95%. So here they say 0.35 average BSC transaction fees. For average Autobhan transaction fee will be only $0.0175. Very great, guys. So they also have the add the Autobhan network to your MetaMask. So a BSC rollup for DeFi and NFTs or games. The Autobhan network is an Ethereum-based scaling solution built to minimize transaction fees and providing lightning-fast transactions, combining with the security of the underlying BNB Smart Chain network. Main use cases for the network are decentralized finance, or DeFi, game transactions, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, which which account for the majority of transactions on the underlying BSC layer. DeFi market TVL $200 billion. NFTs market volume will be $14 billion. So unique characteristics for BSC dApps. 95% lower gas fees. The Autobhan roll-up technology offers transaction fees at a fraction of BNB Smart Chain gas fees, approximately 95% lower. L2 decentralization. Decentralization will be achieved by decentralizing the roll-up sequencer. This will come on top of what BNB Smart Chain offers as decentralization. High-speed transactions, DeFi and NFT trading need high performance as on the German highway called Autobahn transactions are optimized for speed. Maximum security. The roll-up itself adheres to the highest security standards. In addition, all data is written on BNB Smart Chain for additional security. Develop and scale BSC. The Autobhan network is already live for whitelisted developers. The whitelist will open to all developers from DeFi, GameFi, or NFT projects on BNB Smart Chain soon. So, to learn the detailed Autobhan network, Gitbook explains the technology and act as manual for all developers. Deploying on the Autobhan network can be achieved in a couple of minutes. So let's read it later. For the code, all Autobhan network code will be made open source in GitHub with a focus on documentation and readability to make a developer's life as easy and convenient as possible. Apply to incentivize deployments in the Autobhan network scaling layer. A grant program will be launched. Apply to receive a grant soon and benefit from all roll-up advantages. The TXL token. The TXL token is the fuel of the Autobhan network. It benefits from all transaction fees, staking, and much more. So this token is already listed in CoinGecko, guys. Just check the details. So for the ongoing, they also have their ongoing programs like Developer Grants Program. Get TXL by developing on the Autobhan network, BSC scaling solution. Bag Bounty Program, receive up to $200,000 by making the Autobhan the most secure network. So also in the bottom part, join our community. We are one big family and welcome every new member developers, users, investors, and anybody else. There's also a join Discord button and follow Twitter. So now let's try to check the Gitbook that they created. So it's simply talking, what is the Autobhan Network? The Autobhan Network is an L2 scaling solution for Binance Smart Chain, now BNB Chain. It is based on Go Ethereum. More generally, information can be found here. Because the Autobhan Network deploy smart contracts, because the Autobhan Network is based on Go Ethereum, it is EVM equivalent, meaning that it is almost identical to Ethereum, or in our case, BNB Chain. Smart contract deployment example, we love to work with Hardhat for deploying smart contracts. However, other tools like Remix or Truffle will also work. To make it as easy as possible for you, we provided a Hardhat template which includes a sample contract, bulk sender inspired by Disperse.app, a basic test case you can use as a template to write further tests, a simple deployment script, a script interacting with a sample contract from the CLI. You can find the open source repository containing the code here. All code will be made open source shortly. You can already find a smart contract example project on our GitHub page. An Autobhan Network grant program with highly attractive TXL rewards for developers and projects will be introduced shortly. The details will be shared here. For the tokenomics, Autobhan Network token TXL is the fuel for the Autobhan Network. Thereby, TXL stands for transaction lane. In the past, the symbol TXL was utilized as Tixel, the organization that initially developed the Autobhan Network. The German Tixel Labs organization, or Tixel GmbH respectively, with the project rebranding from Tixel to Autobhan Network. The meaning of TXL has changed from Tixel to transaction lane. TXL is the gas token of the Autobhan Network. So this is their TXL contract addresses, guys, if you want to check this out. For the circulating and total supply, the circulating supply of TXL can be defined as all tokens which are not in the treasury anymore, and all tokens which are not time locked in smart contracts. Current total supply is 599,995,418 TXL. Current circulating supply is 20%. Release schedule and locks. A schedule for the future token distribution will be published in the future. The goal is to have a TXL-based voting in regards to the allocation of tokens. TXL precursor, the Tixel Labs organization initially launched MTTXLT as a BEP2 token in autumn 2020. 1:1,000 token split was performed. Now, if you are interested in this Autobhan network, or you have questions in mind, just visit their website and also their Gitbook. So now let's go to their Twitter account. Their Twitter was created last May 2018 with a total of 23.1k followers. As you see from their pin tweet last December 2, 5 huge surprise NFT prizes from all of our friends. So let's go to their Discord. Their Discord already have 3,290 members. So if you're interested in this NFT collection, please again and again, please do your own research, manage your risks, and let's hope for the best in this NFT collection. Peace out.